Welcome back and thank you for joining me today. Just to prove that my Volvo isn't clean all the time, for this video I didn't clean it at all, and as you can see it's all in salt and sand. It's winter time, the roads are wet and there was just no point in washing the car at all. In this video I want to show you how I replace the hood struts on my Volvo. It's a very easy job, takes approximately 10 minutes. The car has 70,000 kilometers or 44,000 miles on it, but it's already 10 years old. Just take a look at the hood, how flimsy it is, and it kind of falls down and it barely holds itself up in the very open position. And I think it's a good time to replace those struts because they are tired in 10 years. If you haven't watched my other video where I replace the struts on the tailgate, I will put that video right on the screen at the end, so you're welcome to watch it. As you can see, the hood will only hold itself in the very open position, and still the wind sometimes will shut it down. I've ordered the new struts from my dealer. Here are the part numbers, and let me tell you, those struts are not cheap from Volvo, but you don't have to get it from Volvo because the manufacturer is Stabilis. Let's take a closer look. Here's the part number, there is some safety information written down, and there you go. Manufacturer Stabilis, Germany, and maybe I'm wrong, but I think it was made in 2016. To get them off the car, you need a flathead screwdriver. You need to pry out the metal tab. Just pull on it and it's gonna pop out from its position. So I'm gonna start with the driver's side using the screwdriver, just pulling on that tab. You don't need to pull it out completely, just pry it out and the strut will pop out from that ball. I'm using my head here to support the hood from falling down. Taking the new strut, just push it in. There is already some lubricant inside, some grease, so you don't need to add any. Let's compare the two, and they're identical except that my old ones, maybe I'm wrong, they were made in 2008 compared to the new strut 2016. Same procedure on the passenger side, removing the old one. And job done. Let's take a look at the results. As expected, the new struts perform really well compared to the old ones. The hood now feels firm. It opens up on its own, and now it's not gonna fall easily even on a windy day. I hope that you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, don't forget the notification bell. Thank you and bye bye.